Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Netspend Prepaid account on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Netspend Prepaid account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And after opening your preferred browser, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in netspend.com like this and hit on enter. And over here you can see the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Over here where my mouse is hovering, click on it, and over here this is the login panel of your Netspend Prepaid account. And to log into your account, enter your username over here, which was given to you by your Netspend, and enter your password over here, whichever may it be. And after entering your username and your password, click on the continue button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Netspend account on your computer. With that being said, guys, this is how to log into your Netspend account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.